What's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about flat roof repair versus flat roof overlay and what's the difference. Stick around, we'll show you what it's all about. What's up guys? My name's Aaron with Exterior Pro. We're here on one of our job sites and I wanted to do a video on this particular job because it's something that we do quite often, which is a flat roof overlay, and that is our repair option. You say, well why would you do an overlay as a repair option? Well, why would that be? Is because when we run into buildings that has a flat roof that say has either aged past its service life or has leaks beyond the extent that we think regular traditional repairs, like it's say installing a patch or adding sealant or topping off a pitch pan, when we find roofs that are what we would consider low likelihood that we're actually going to stop the leaks, that's the next step, is to do an overlay. Then we recommend the overlay. So if we do an evaluation on a building that has leaks, we get a service call, for example, we come out, we show up, we evaluate the roof. I want to do a risk-reward assessment. I want to kind of get an idea of whether I think I can even stop the leaks, because if I don't think I can stop the leaks, I don't want to suggest that you make repairs or pay us to patch it, because what's the point if it's still going to leak? If there's widespread leaks or let's say widespread roof failure, we're going to recommend a different route. And what the next step is, if I don't think that the roof can be repaired, our next step would be to overlay the roof. You say, well, why would you do that? Well, because an overlay is a much better option than just taking everything, if it can't be repaired, and just ripping it all off and starting again. The next step forward would be to overlay it. And in doing an overlay, we get to leave the existing roof membrane in place, and we get to save the existing roof insulation, which is expensive, by the way. And also, you don't have to expose the building and pay for the tear off, the labor of a tear off, the dumpsters, the mess, the disruption. You don't have any of that with an overlay. We get to leave the existing roof system in place and recover it with a new flat roof membrane, which will put you out another 20 years of dry time and keep this building dry. So how do you do a flat roof overlay? Well, what we're going to do and the assembly is going to vary from time to time, but a kind of a standard situation, especially on buildings like this where you don't want to raise the height a lot and they're not looking for a lot of additional R value with a lot of added insulation. They're just looking to get the building dry and stop the leaks. So we're gonna install a 1/2 inch of extruded polystyrene to separate the old roof and the new roof, and then we're gonna basically recover this building with a layer of 50 mil PVC. We're gonna add all new trims, all new wall flashings, all new curbs, and all new stacks. So this roof will be like a brand new roof, except we just never did have to remove the existing roof, so we save about 50% of the total cost, and we actually stop the leaks. All right guys, so if you've got a flat roof on your building and you've made multiple repair attempts, or the roof is beyond repairable, you may want to consider a flat roof overlay. If you've learned something guys, hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.